Hello everyone, this is Sridhar from Willntrix Training Institute. In this video, we are going to discuss about index with match. We have already discussed about index and match separately. You can check it in the previous videos. And now we are trying to use this index with match as an alternative to VLOOKUP function. So let us consider an example. Here I am considering employee table as an example, and I want to fetch some of the information from this table to this table, where I want to fetch names and salary for these employees. Okay, so in order to perform this, we can easily use VLOOKUP. But how to do it by using index function? So we'll just start with index, and it is asking for array. So array is nothing but your table array from where we are fetching the data. And then we should mention the row number. So where is 102? 102 is there at the third row, so mention 3. And then so column number, where is column? Names, it is there in the second column, so mention 2. So now wherever that row number and column number intersect, so that value will be returned, that is Peter. See, third row, second column. And if you wanted to fetch it for 103, again we have to use index, and then we have to mention the array, and then row number. What is the row number? 103, so that is in the fourth row, so mention 4. And names is there in the second column, mention 2. Okay, so for each and every employee ID, we have to enter the row number manually. So instead of doing like this, what we can do is we can use match function. So what exactly this match does? See, match will just look for the specified value in the array, and it will return us the position of that particular number in the array. Here I'll use index, and then this is the table array, and now I'll just freeze it in order to make it as absolute. Like it, I'll make this particular array as a constant. And row number, instead of putting it manually, what I do is I'll use match function. I'll just match this value within employee ID column, and then take exact match, that is 0. And then where is names? Names is there at the second column, mention 2. And here I'll make it constant by freezing it, and G2. Yes, I'll enter yes. See, we can get the proper row number. Now I'll drag it down and we'll get the answer. That's it. So here what is happening is, see, this will look for 103 in this particular column. So where is 103? 1, 2, 3, 4. So match will return us the 4, which is in turn becomes the row number. Understood? Next, you can just copy paste. So I'll just freeze this one in column. I'll make it absolute in column because the reference should not jump from one column to another column. Next, I'll just copy and paste it here. So now where is salary? Salary is there at the fourth column. So replace this 2 with 4 and drag it down. See, you'll get the proper answer. Even you can use match for column number also. So let me tell you how it is. So use match, and now you have to match the column names with columns, and then take 0 as the exact match and freeze it. To make the range constant, press F4 and then lookup value. So you have to freeze it in row. That means you have to make it absolute in row, because the reference should not jump from one row to another row. For that, I'll just do Control D. Control D means downward paste, and Control R means right side paste. Now see, okay, this is how you can use match for row number as well as column number. I hope you understood this function, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.